I was feeling a bit lost, and it was very difficult to me to focus on my future, to decide what to do. So I decided to join the self-empowerment course in order to find this focus in my life. And I'm very glad I gave myself this opportunity, because I found out so many things being in the course. Susana and Luke leads you through a journey of discovery, self-discovery. We find out things about our past, we go back to the past to find out very deep and inner things, and by solving that, it helps you to lead you through our journey in the future, which is great. Now, after 10 days being here, I really have a clear plan for my future, and I have a very clear plan of what I want to do in the next 6 months and even a whole year from here. I would surely recommend this course for anyone who needs to find this very deep level of understanding about themselves.